Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a pie chart in your Microsoft Excel mobile version. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a pie chart in your Microsoft Excel mobile, just going to show in this video. So first of all, select the cells that you just need to create it as a pie chart. Now click on this arrow section on the bottom and just change the home section to the insert option. Then in the insert option, you will see a lot of options. Just swipe down and you will see option called shapes, and also just swipe down, you will see option called chart. Click on this chart. Now you will see an option called pie. Just click on this pie option, click on this, and you can find a different type of pie chart. You can see this is one of the type, and this is a 3D type, and also this is another type. So you can just select which chart you just needed, and you can just change the theme whenever you just need it. It's according to your use. For an example here, I'm just going to change the layout. You can just change the layout here and the type here. So going inside the pie option, I'm just going to choose the 3D layout here. And in this 3D layout, you have to choose a layout type. So you can find different type of layout here. You can just check it and you can just choose it. And whenever you just needed to change the pie chart size or colors, you can just change it. And also you can just change the color also. You just swipe down and you will see option called color section. So you can just change the color style of the layout here from this. So choosing the green color or your favorite color, whatever the color you just needed. This is how you just create a pie chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.